Standard 4th, Subject Maths, Chapter 8, Measuring Time. So student, time is very precious. We cannot buy time. It is very important in our life. If one's time is gone, nothing we can do. A particular work also is given a particular time. In that time, we have to do or we have to complete our work. Okay students, so we will learn more. Now, this is a picture of a clock. Yes, in a clock, there are two hands. The longer hand shows the minutes and the shorter hand shows the hours. Okay, now here one more thin needle type hand is there which runs very fast. It shows us the seconds. Okay students, so in a clock there are 1 to 12 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This way 12 numbers are written on the clock. And from 12 to 1 or 1 to 2 or 2 to 3 means if you will continue. So there are small lines, 5 small lines which tells us the times of minutes. Okay. So there are 60 small lines in a clock. When you start from 12 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3 till last 11 to 12 again. How many small lines are there? 60. So when we are counting the minutes, we must know the tables of 5. So I am going to explain you in detail. Now look here students. Now in the clock when the hour hand is at 7 and minutes hand is at 12. Hour hand means that short hand and minutes hand means that long hand. Okay, so when hour hand is at 7 and minutes hand is at 12 means what you're going to do here, you're going to count from 12 to 1, that small lines. Means how many small lines are there? 5. So here you have to do the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45, 5 tens are 50, 5 11s are 55 and 5 12s are 60. So here 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So here the time is what? 7 o'clock. Understood student? How you are going to see the clock here? How you are going to tell the time here? Yes. Now next example. If the hour hand is at 8 and minutes hands is at 12. So here what is the time here? So what I told, hour hand means that shorter. It will be on 8 and the minutes hand on 12. So what is the time here? Yes, it is 8 o'clock. Now if hour hand is at 9 and minutes hand is at correct 2. So what will be the time here? Now see here. So minutes hand is at 2. So from 12 to 1, how many small lines are there? 5. And 1 to 2, how many small lines are there? 5. So we will take 5 tables. That is 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So what is the time here? 10 minutes past 9 is the time. Got student? Understood? So students, whenever the minutes hand moves on any number, for example take the minutes hand means that is a longer hand moves on 4, then how you are going to count the, yes, you're going to take the table of 5. So 5 fours are 20. So how many minutes? 20 minutes. For example, if the minutes hand is on 7, then 5 sevens are 35 minutes. Okay student? Now next, this much I think all of you have understood. Students, you know 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. I told you 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So half hour. How many minutes? Yes, 30 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So half of 60, how much? 30. So half hour is equal to 30 minutes. Now A quarter of an hour means quarter. You have to do a quarter means if you will take a circle, if you will divide into 4 parts. So if full it is 60, half it is 30, and half of 30 what will come? Yes, 15. So a quarter of an hour is equal to 15 minutes. And 3 quarters of an hour, 3 quarters. Means if you will take a circle, you will divide it into 4 parts. So full it is 60. And from that full, if you will remove a quarter part, you are going to take 3 quarters. So 3 quarter will become how many minutes? 45 minutes. How many? 45 minutes. Now students, a quarter shows 15 minutes pass. A half pass shows 30 minutes pass. And a quarter to shows 45 minutes or 15 minutes remain. Okay. Here, in one day, how many hours are there? 24. But in a clock, how many numbers are written? 12. So, after 12, we start again counting from 1. Okay, student? This you have to keep in the mind. Now, from your textbook, page number 44, you can see the picture of a clock. Now, in the clock, the hour hand is between 1 and 2. Okay? And the minute hand is on 3. It is 15 minutes past 1. So here 1 hour and a quarter hour has passed. It is a quarter past 1. Now in the next picture, in the clock, the hour hand is between 2 and 3. Hour hand means the shorter one. And the minute hand is on 3. Minute hand means the longer one. It is on 3. Means what is the time here? It is 15 minutes past 2. What is the time here? 15 minutes past 2. 2 hours and a quarter have passed. So what we call quarter past 2. What we say? Quarter past 2. In the same way, we also say quarter past 3, quarter past 4, etc. till quarter past 12. Understood? Means what particular time have passed and 15 minutes have become. Now next. Look the next picture. What you can see in the clock here? Yes. It is 30 minutes past 2. When 2 hours and a half hour have passed, we say it is half past 2. 30 minutes past 2, or we can say half past 2. 30 minutes past 1 is same as half past 1. Now look the next picture. What you can see, the hour hand is between 3 and 4 and the minutes hand is on 6. So, what is the time here? It is 30 minutes past 3 in the clock. Means after 3, 30 minutes has become. So, 3 full hours and 1 half hour have passed. So, what we say? Half past 3. So, in the same way, we can say half past 4, half past 5 till half past 12. Okay, understood? Quarter past also you understood, and now half past also. Now look the next one. What you can see in the picture here, in the clock here. Here, the hour hand is between, means mostly it is near to 2, and the minute hand is on 9. Okay, means it is 45 minutes past 1. After 1 o'clock, how many minutes have passed? 45. So, it is on 9. So, how you know we have passed 45 minutes? So, you have to say the 5 ones are table. Till 9. 5 nines are what? 45. So, 45 minutes past 1. Now, a quarter of an hour less than 2 can also be read as a quarter to 2. So, less than means after 15, it will become total 2 o'clock. So, how we are going to say this? Quarter to 2. Okay? 45 minutes past 1, no? How you are going to say? A quarter to 2. Now see the next picture. Here the hour hand is between 12 and 1, mostly near the 1. And minute hand is on 9. So 45 minutes past 12. After 12, how much minutes have passed? 45. This can also be read as a quarter to 1. Quarter to 1 means after 50 minutes, the time will become 1. Okay, see the differences in quarter past and quarter to. Quarter past means 15 minutes have passed, and quarter to means after 15 minutes the time will be changed. If it is 45 minutes past 12, what will be the time there now? Quarter to 1. This you have to keep in mind, students. Here you are getting confused. Okay. Now next, look the filling the blanks. Quarter past 3 is equal to 15 minutes past 3. So 15 minutes past 3. Next is what? 15 minutes past 4. So how you are going to do that? Yes, quarter past 4. Next, quarter past 5 is equal to 15 minutes past 5. Next, 45 minutes past 6. So here what you're going to write? Yes, quarter to 7. 6 will become 7. Here these changes are done. Next, quarter to 10. So 45 minutes past 9. See the differences, students, here. Next, 30 minutes past 9. So half past 9. 30 minutes past 9. After 9, 30 minutes have passed. So you are going to write here half past 9. So student, I hope you have understood this lesson. Whatever remaining is there, we will take this in the next. Thank you, students. Bye. Take care.